Replacing an AC compressor, there's a couple things to take in mind. First off, make sure that the mounting surfaces are nice and clean and you get a good clean fit. Next, you need to measure the amount of oil that came out of the old compressor and install it into the new compressor. Now you need to flush the system, and I mean thoroughly flush the system. You have to get all the old compressor debris out of the condenser as well as the evaporator core. Make sure you flush it very good. Then it's time to install a new accumulator, or some may refer to it as a receiver dryer. Along with that, we're going to replace the orifice tube. Don't forget about any necessary O-rings that you might want to replace along with it. And a service kit is always important. Make sure you have good valve cores and the proper caps to protect the new system. Once the new parts are installed, then we're going to want to evacuate the AC system for at least 45 minutes. Draw a good vacuum on it and get any type of moisture out of the system. Then we're going to recharge it with the proper amount and type of refrigerant. And then when the job's all done, we need to do a temperature drop test to ensure that our pressures and our temperatures and our service charge is as needed. These are all things that are very crucial to a successful AC compressor replacement.